Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dual connection on your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. So right here we have a first device what connected with the headphones and the second one do not. So open the settings on your second device, then go to the Bluetooth. And now, at the back side of the earbuds, right here we have a BELKIN, and here's touch areas. You need to press and hold at the both of touch areas for at least 3 seconds, because we need to enter pairing mode. Here we go. Now this LED light blinking blue, so we just did it and we see them at the device list. Tap on them. And we just connected with the second device. Now let's check, is it connected with the first device? So go to the settings, then connected devices or the Bluetooth, and as you can see now both these devices connected with these earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!